To download Enigma of Fear on a PC or laptop, start by downloading Steam, an app that enables the purchase, download, installation, and playback of games. This can be achieved by visiting a search engine or browser and typing in Steam. The first link that appears should be the Steam website, where you can click on the Install Steam button at the top of the page. Select your platform, then click Install Steam again, and the Steam setup will be downloaded. Once the setup is downloaded, click on it and follow the prompts. Click Next, select your language, and choose a destination folder for the installation. The installation process will then begin, and Steam will be installed on your computer. After installing Steam, open the app and either create a new account or log in to an existing one. Creating an account is a straightforward process that follows the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, you should see the Steam Store page. If not, click on the Store tab to navigate to it. The next step is to search for Enigma of Fear by typing the game's name into the search box. Click on the game's page. Then scroll down and click the Add to Cart button. Proceed to view your cart. Then select whether you want to purchase the game for yourself or as a gift. Choose your payment method from the drop-down menu and complete the checkout process to buy the game. The game will then be added to your Steam library. To access the library, click the Library tab at the top left. Select Games on the left side, and find Enigma of Fear in the list. Click on the game and you will see an Install button. Click this button, then choose whether to create a desktop or start menu shortcut, and select which drive to install the game on. Click Install, and the game will be downloaded and installed on your computer. Once the installation is complete, you will receive a notification from Steam, and the Install button will be replaced with a Play button. Click the Play button to launch the game and start playing.